One of late director David Lynch's favorite movies is a unique movie about seaside tourists. Heavy on sound design, Jacques Tati's 1953 French comedy Mr. Hulot's Holiday is a quirky comedy reminiscent of Mr. Bean. Mr. Hulot wreaks unintentional havoc on the beachfront hotel's guests and staff. The noises of the hotel become another character in the production. They are similar to the atmospheric sounds found in Lynch's breakout film Eraserhead. Did Tati's Hulot's Holiday play a role in inspiring the Lynchian film style?